also, because my hair is an afro, I don't want it to shrink. Then I still tie it. Hi everyone, today as I'm here at SHUMIE, I'm just going to share with you how I started using the SHUMIE products to my hair. And then first I started with my shampoo. I washed my hair gently with my finger. Then I rinsed my hair. When my hair is free of the shampoo, then I come and put on the deep conditioner. Then as I apply the conditioner, I also rub it and do some 3-4 twists on my hair and leave this shampoo applied in my hair for an hour with my shower cap on. And then after an hour, I rinse my hair off the deep conditioner. Then I just leave it also, because my hair is an afro, I don't want it to shrink. Then I still tie it, and then I start applying the hair growth oil on my scalp, massage it with my fingers and press it a bit around the hairline, all over the whole hair, and press, massage, press. And then after that I put on the spray. After spraying my hair to moisturize it, I then go to the hair food. This Cheve hair food is one of my favorite. I like it. Then I put it on the hair that is been twisted with knots. Then I massage it and apply it through the hair. Then I can style my hair as desired.